Well, replacing your roof can be really expensive, so what if you could rejuvenate it instead? Tim Hensley is the owner of Genesis Roof Rejuvenation, and he has invented a process that can extend the life of your roof by years, which is obviously a very good thing. Thanks for being here. TJ's joining us as well to talk about the process. But the bottom line is it's going to save homeowners a lot of time and a lot of money, or any property owner, really.
Correct.
Talk to me about those numbers.
Yeah, thousands of dollars is the savings for any property owner, whether it's residential or commercial. Safety-wise, we don't get up on the roof. We're using a drone. It's not this one. It's a very, very big one. The wingspan is about 6 feet. Me as a pilot, you have to be licensed, and you have to be able to navigate and avoid obstacles that are up there. But the drone flies over top of the roof, applying the bio oil that is environmentally friendly, saving time. So it'll take 30 minutes to 3 hours, depending upon the roof. Some up in Sedona, some of the other areas where the roof peaks are different, it will take a little longer.
Okay, so we're saving a lot of time, because if you have to rip these off your roof and replace them, that can take a week, or it can take several days. You can knock this out in a day. Obviously saving money as well, because these are not cheap.
30 minutes.
So you kind of alluded to the process. TJ, I want to bring you in on this, because it's all a drone. And again, it's not this one. You guys fly a drone above the house and you spray that bio oil. Talk to me about the process when you get there.
So we, once we arrive on set, we just get there, we assess the size of the roof, and then we pre-position the spray apparatus, the truck, the trailer, and we put it into it, and we kind of assess on how we're going to go about it. But because time is money, and obviously these are battery systems, so we just put it out there to where we can actually move around efficiently, be in, be out, and be less invasive to the homeowner or the property owner.
So the bio oil, because again, this is only for asphalt tiles, right? Shingles. It doesn't just sit on top, it actually absorbs. So talk to me about the product and the difference between something that would maybe just sit on top.
The bio oil, I didn't invent the bio oil, I invented the entire process, but the bio oil has been used for 15 plus years. It's used across the country, and it actually absorbs into the shingle, and you can see this one is more pliable. But the ones that may be out there on the roof, you can see kind of as you scrape some of the particles, some of the rock and the brick comes off of it, right? So the bio oil actually penetrates, it goes down and becomes a part of it. Unlike sunscreen, where we can wash that off, this bio oil becomes a part of the shingle, and it extends the life, and we have a 6-year plus year guarantee for the application.
All right, so it is saving you time, money, it's environmentally friendly, we're not loading the landfill.